Taiwan's Matchling tooling company has been manufacturing superior quality machine tool accessories for more than 20 years, and today sells its cutting-edge products in more than 60 countries around the world. The company invests heavily in R&D and holds over 20 patents within its huge range of 10,000 different products. Matchling provides one-stop shopping for all your milling and grinding machine accessory needs, and its 3 factories will have no problems meeting your capacity requirements. Today we'll be viewing some examples of Matchling's huge line of milling machine clamping devices and index tables. All these milling accessories are manufactured for high precision and rigidity using Matchling's superior equipment and highly skilled workforce. These milling machine accessories, made with the finest quality materials and featuring high precision designs, clearly show that Matchling will easily meet all your machining accessory requirements.